Good morning. I am in Indian Pass Campground. This is in Florida. So it's kind of like if you look right by St. George's Island, just to the west of it, there's a St. Vincent. It's a nature reserve. And then you have kind of the tip of this other, I don't know if it's an island or a peninsula, but either way, that's where this is, Indian Pass Campground. And it is a very primitive, I guess that might be a good word for it, but it's actually really cool place. So here, just kind of pan around from this area, and you can capture not only C10, that's the one that we're in, but you can capture a lot of the other campsites from C9, C7, C8 is just over on the way. I can't even remember all the numbers of them, but they're all kind of right around here, just kind of thrown in here. It's got electric. There's got some kind of a water on it, I think. No hookups. It does have a dump station up in the front of it. But for this part though, it is way cool. I'm getting ready to leave. But I'll walk back here for you really quick. As a matter of fact, I didn't even unhitch the truck from the trailer last night. But really cool, really kind of private-ish. I mean, because you do have the folks next to you here in the C9. But when you're just sitting back here and you get to enjoy these kind of views, I know it's not the mountain views, but it's more of the water views. So yeah, back here in the backside, tide's up this morning because last night I was able to walk all along through here. It went back out probably another 6, 7, 8 feet. So yeah, tide's up this morning, which makes sense. Here's back behind. That's the other side. I'll go around. You got the connections are right down here. You got your 30 amp, 50 amp. And then yeah, that is it. Pretty cool place though. It was a fun little stop. Wanted to check it out. So it was a nice, good breezy location. Pretty quiet.